Good day. Today we are going to discuss about the derivative of a function and the slope of the tangent line using the delta method and the definition of derivative. So what is derivative? Derivative is the limit of the ratio of the change in a function in the dependent variables as the latter change approaches zero.
The delta method. In using the delta method, there are 4 steps in solving the problem. First step. In the given equation, replace x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y and simplify. Step 2. Find delta y by subtracting the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1. Then simplify. Step 3. Divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x, then simplify. Step 4. Find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. For example, find the derivative of y is equal to 4x squared plus 15. So in step 1, in the given equation, we change x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y. So, y plus delta y is equals to 4x plus delta x squared plus 15. Then we simplify. So, y plus delta y is equals to 4x squared plus x delta x plus x delta x plus delta x squared plus 15. So, in solving this, we use the FOIL method. Then we combine like terms. So, y plus delta y is equals to 4x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 15. So now we distribute 4 to here. So y plus delta y is equal to 4x squared plus 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared plus 15. So here now is our simplified form. Step 2. In order to find delta y, we subtract the given equation from the equation obtained from step 1. Then we simplify. So, negative y equals to negative 4x squared negative 15. So what will happen is we cancel out this. So delta y equals to 8x delta x plus 4 delta x squared. So here now is our simplified form. Step 3. We divide both sides by delta x. So, delta x, and delta x. So, we get the answer delta y over delta x is equal to 8x since we cancel out this. Then, for the delta x, because since it is delta x squared divided by delta x, we get only delta x. So now this is our simplified form. Step 4. So now we find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. So dy over dx is equals to limit of delta y over delta x limit of 8x plus 4 delta x approaches to 0. So, limit ax plus 4, since we change delta x by 0, so this will become 0. So as we simplify it, we get the answer of 8x plus 0 or 8x. So our limit is dy over dx equals to 8. Example number 2. Differentiate y with x cubed minus 4x plus 3. So step 1. In the given equation, replace y with y plus delta y and x with x plus delta x. So y plus delta y equals to x plus delta x cubed minus 4x plus delta x plus 3. Then we simplify. Y plus delta y is equals to 3 cubed plus 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 4x minus 4 delta x plus 3. So now, in order to get this, we can use either Paul method or the Pascal method. So now this is our simplified form. Step 2. In order to find delta y, we subtract the given equation from the equation obtained in step 1. So negative y is equals to negative x cubed plus 4x minus 3. So we cancel y. So we get the answer of delta y equals to 3x squared delta x plus 3x delta x squared plus delta x cubed minus 4 delta x. So now this is our simplified form. Step 3. Divide both sides of the equation obtained in step 2 by delta x. Then we simplify. So we divide both sides with delta x. So we get the simplified form delta y delta x 3x squared 3x delta x 4. So here now is our simplified form. Step 4. Find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. So dy over dx is equals to limit of delta y over delta x as it approaches to 0. So limit 3x squared plus 3x delta x plus delta x squared minus 4 as delta x approaches 0 equals to 3x squared plus 3x 0 plus 0 squared minus 4. So we get the answer of 3x squared minus 4. number 3. The derivative of y is equals to 2 over x plus 5. So step 1, we change x with x plus delta x and y with y plus delta y. So y plus delta y is equals to 2 x plus delta x plus 5. Step 2. In order to find delta y, we subtract it from the given equation from its newly obtained equation by step 1. So, y plus delta y minus y is equal to 2x plus delta x plus 5 minus 5. Since it has different denominators, so we cross multiply it, then combine both denominators. So what will happen is, since it is subtracted by minus y, so delta y equals 2x plus 5 minus 2 over both combined denominators. So let's distribute 2 and 2. So 2x plus 10 negative 2x minus 2 delta x minus 10 over x plus delta x plus 5 x plus 5. Then we simplify. Delta y is equals to 2x cancel, 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 then cancel. So what will happen is become negative 2 delta x over x plus delta x plus 5 plus 5. So here now is our simplified form. So step 3. We now then divide both sides by delta x. So delta y over delta x is equals to negative 2 delta x over x plus delta x plus 5 x plus 5 over delta x. So delta y over delta x is equals to negative 2 delta x over x plus delta x plus 5 x plus 5 times 1 over delta x. So we cancel this, and we get the answer of 2 negative 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 x plus 5. Step 4. So now we find the limit as delta x approaches to 0. So dy over dx is equals to limit of delta y over delta x approaches to 0. So it is equals to limit of negative 2 over x plus delta x plus 5 x plus 5 as it approaches to 0. So negative 2 over x plus 0 plus 5 x plus 5. So it is equals to negative 2 over x plus 5 x plus 5 or 2
So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something from it. Till next time, bye-bye.